Hey guys, welcome to Doctor's Tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn how to make an AI movie with free AI tools. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So in this tutorial, we'll explore a range of AI tools essential for creating your own AI movie. So let's dive into the different tools that we have in here. So we have your Leonardo AI, we have Gen 2 by Runway, we have Pika Labs, we also have 11 Labs that will help us onto crafting our own AI movie in here. So for the first thing that we'll need to do in here is we'll begin with the use of keywords and example images to create consistent character poses. So this is the foundation for character consistency. So we could also create character sheet to keep things organized. So for us to be able to get started, we're gonna use Leonardo AI in here to craft our model. So if you're not familiar with this, Leonardo AI is an advanced AI model developed by OpenAI. So this is designed to assist with creating and editing images, illustration, and artwork. So it is known for its impressive capabilities in generating and manipulating visual content. So as you can see, it can cultivate originality, simplified mastery, and turbocharge innovation. So you could use Leonardo today for product photography. You also have architecture, interior design, and much more. So if you scroll down here a little bit onto the website, you can see the different tools that it offers: the image generation, AI canvas, 3D texture generation, and you could unveil new creative horizons with its fine-tuned models that it offers. So as you can see, here are some of the examples that was generated using Leonardo AI. So as you can see, we could go ahead and create something like this or a model so that we could use this one for our AI movie creation. And if you don't have an account yet onto Leonardo AI, you'll just have to click onto create an account in here. So you don't need any credit card for that. You'll just have to sign up for free using the different information that it asks. Now, right after you've gone ahead and signed up and log in onto Leonardo AI, you'll get redirected here onto the dashboard. So here onto the dashboard, you'll have a quick overview onto the different featured models that they have. Also here onto the left side, you can see the different tokens which are used onto the content generation. So you could click onto this so that you could go ahead and upgrade to more features so that you could use more tokens as well and more generation onto your account. We also have the home, community feed, personal feeds, training and data sets, and the fine-tuned models. So we have the user tools in here, the AI image generation, canvas, texture generation, and for us to be able to get started onto creating our characters, we'll use AI image generation in here. So we're gonna go ahead and try to create something in here or try to write in a prompt in here so that it would give us something that would be a character that we're gonna use onto our creation. Now, if you don't actually have any idea onto which character, there is actually a helpful tool that we could use here onto Leonardo AI. You'll just have to click onto this prompt generation in here, and this tool will allow you to come up with more complex prompt ideas from a single prompt. So I've typed in here a character, and as you can see, here are the different ideas that we could do for a character. So we could go ahead and click onto each one in here so that they will generate a new image set with using this prompt. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto that, and we'll just have to wait for its generation. And as you can see, this will use 7 tokens. So we'll just have to click onto this, but you could also add in some negative prompts or the things that you don't want to see onto your photo so that the generation would be very detailed. So we're going to go ahead and click on the generate in here, and let's try to see what it will give us. Now, as you can see, here are the different characters that it has given us. So if we click onto this, it will zoom out the image. You have the delete option, download this, copy this. You also have the unzoom image, remove the background, and many more in here. So we're gonna go ahead and download this one out, since we're gonna go ahead and try to use this one as a reference onto our image creation. Now, for us to be able to create something that is actually moving using this character, so what you'll need to do right after is you'll just have to drag and drop the photo in here. You could actually generate some images that is still like this, but you could add in some poses, or you could modify the prompts so that it will change the character's emotion and action, allowing you to direct your character as you see fit. So once you have that one already, just do the same process of downloading the image, and then right after we'll head on to our next tool in here so that we could go ahead and make our image move in here. So this Gen 2 by Runaway will bring the magic back to making movies. So for us to be able to do this, as you can see, you could just turn any image, video clip, or text prompt into a compelling piece of film. So you'll just have to, there is a text to video option that they have in here, the text plus image to video, and also the image to video. So we're going to do something like this. Also the stylization, you could add that a storyboard, the mask, and the render in here, some customization, and then this is the new standard for video generation. And first, to be able to get started onto using this platform, we'll just have to sign in here. And if you don't have an account yet, just simply sign up for an account here onto Runway. Now, so you can see right after you click that, this is the thing that will pop up. So what we'll need to do is we're going to drag and drop an image in here to be the start of a video. So we're going to go ahead and add in like that. And then right after, we'll just have to wait for this one to be uploaded. So for onto this specific one, we're gonna go ahead and just try to generate a camera motion for this so that this photo would look like as if it is moving. So there's actually an image description in here so that we could be more specific onto what we want to see, but we'll try this one first. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto generate in here so that we could go ahead and try to see what it will give us. So as you can see, our video is still queued. We'll just have to wait for this one since this will be done in a few minutes. Now, as you can see, when it is done, you're just gonna scroll and you'll see this triangle button in here to do a quick preview. So this is what your video would look like since we've added emotion already. So here onto the image description, we could go ahead and add in a description onto the scene so that we could go ahead and try to see how it will move. Now, as you can see in here, we'll try to add in into the description, close eyes, and let's try to generate, and let's try to see what it will give us. So as you can see, another video is queued in here. We're gonna wait for this to be done as well. Now, once you already have the video generated, you'll just have to click onto this download option here onto the upper part to download the image. And then you also have the option to report the content and also expand this one. So you'll just have to choose the versions that you want to download so that we could go ahead and head onto the other tool that we could use onto this movie creation. Now the next tool that we actually have in here is 11 Labs. So this is what we'll use in here so that we could go ahead and add in some voice. So if you want to add in some voiceovers or any scripts onto your movie creation, you could try to use this one. So we're going to go ahead and unleash the power of cutting-edge technology to generate realistic, captivating speech in a wide range of languages. So actually, you'll just have to remove this since this is from my past generation. So you could update the settings in here. You could choose in the different models that you want to use. There are actually some references as well in here that you could use or take notes so that you could use this. Also, you could add in your own voice. We have the voice settings in here so that you could update the stability, clarity, and many more. We also have in here the 11 multilingual version 2, so you could change the version model in here from version 1 or to other version. And this is where the part you would go ahead and type in the script that you want to hear onto your generation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it in here so the model works best on longer fragments. So you could go ahead and utilize this feature and just click on the generate so that you could go ahead and create something for your movie creation. Now right after that, since we've gone ahead and already created a character and if we have already a script, the next thing that we could do in here is head on to this new tool that we have. So this is Wave to Lip. So this comes into play as a tool that generates lip movement by syncing voice audio with the video. So it brings the characters to life. So you could use this tool in here so that we could go ahead and make the character that we have earlier that we've generated speak. So as you can see in here, this way is a visual quality disc that has been updated in README, so you could go ahead and try to view these highlights in here, the disclaimer, some prerequisite, getting the waves, and also many more in here. So there are a lot of details here onto Hugging Face, so you could go ahead and try to search onto this so that you could go ahead and start also adding some lip sync onto your characters. Now right after, once you have everything set up, we have the character already, we have the script, and we have gone ahead and added already a lip sync to that. The next thing that we could do is to use any video editor that or software so that we could compile all of the works. So this is where we're gonna go ahead and try to add in or create a new video. So what you'll need to do is just you'll just have to drag and drop the files in here, such as the character that we've made, the lip sync that we have created, also add in the audio that we have generated, and most importantly, you could also add in some of musics in here so that you could go ahead and add in a live onto your content creation. So here we are actually using CapCut as our video editing software, and we have different tools that we could use in here for that one. So we could add in some media. So we could use also stock videos, photos, audio, text, captions, transcripts, stickers, and many more in here. So we'll just have to browse onto the different things that it offers in here so that we could go ahead and make a very wonderful AI movie. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. And if you think this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.